Thinking of selling that old hunting rifle? Hold up, big mistake! Some rifles aren't just tools, they're treasured legends. From war-tested icons to limited edition gems, these rifles have skyrocketed in value and could be worth a small fortune. Whether you're a collector, a hunter, or just inherited Grandpa's gun, this list might save you from a massive regret. Here are 10 hunting rifles you should never sell because they're rare, priceless, and becoming harder to find every year. So let's jump right in the video. Number 5. Remington Model 1401-41 Game Master. The Model 141 Game Master, introduced in 1912 and 1935 respectively, are iconic pump-action rifles cherished by collectors for their unique design and historical significance. These rifles were popular among hunters for their reliability and smooth operation, often chambered in versatile calibers like .30 Remington and .35 Remington, ideal for deer and other medium game in dense woods. The Model 14141's distinctive pump-action mechanism, paired with a tubular magazine, made it a favorite for quick follow-up shots in thick brush. Its craftsmanship, featuring walnut stocks and blued steel, adds to its appeal as a collectible piece. The rifles were produced in limited numbers, especially certain configurations, making them highly sought after today. The proprietary Remington cartridges, like .30 and .35 Remington, can be hard to find today, limiting their practicality for modern hunting. Additionally, their age means maintenance can be challenging, as parts are scarce, and some rifles may show wear from decades of use. Despite these cons, the Game Master's rarity and classic styling make it a treasure for collectors who value its place in firearm history. Its unique blend of form and function ensures it remains a prized possession that should never be sold lightly. Pros: unique pump-action design, reliable for quick shots, versatile calibers, high collectible value, beautiful craftsmanship. Cons: hard to find ammunition, limited parts availability, may require maintenance, less familiar action for some shooters. Number 4. Winchester Model 1876. One of 1,000, introduced in 1876, is a legendary lever-action rifle celebrated for its rarity and historical prestige. Known as the Centennial Model, it was designed for big game hunting with powerful cartridges like 45-75 and 50-95, capable of taking down bison or bear. Only 54 of the 1 of 1,000 variants were made, featuring superior barrels tested for exceptional accuracy, premium engraving, and a high-quality finish, making them some of the rarest Winchesters ever produced. Their value is enhanced by their connection to the American West, with owners like Montana pioneers and Wild West figures. These rifles often command prices upwards of $200,000 in excellent condition due to their scarcity and craftsmanship. However, its toggle link action is weaker than modern designs, limiting its use with high-pressure cartridges. Ammunition like .45-75 is nearly obsolete, making it impractical for regular shooting. The rifle's weight, often over 9 pounds, can be cumbersome for field use, and its age requires careful maintenance to preserve condition. For collectors, the 1 of 1,000 is a masterpiece of Winchester's legacy, symbolizing the frontier era's spirit. Its rarity and historical significance make it a rifle you should hold onto as a valuable heirloom. Pros: extremely rare, high accuracy, premium craftsmanship, historical significance, high auction value. Cons: obsolete ammunition, heavy weight, weaker toggle link action, requires careful maintenance. Number 3. Winchester Model 1873 1 of 100. An ultra-rare variant of the iconic Gun That Won the West, introduced in 1875. Only 8 of these rifles were ever made, marked for their exceptional barrel accuracy and adorned with special engraving and platinum barrel bands. Chambered in .44-40, it was versatile for both hunting and self-defense, sharing ammunition with popular revolvers of the time. Its historical use by figures like Wyoming rustlers and Montana pioneers adds to its allure, with documented stories of ownership enhancing its collectible value. Today, these rifles can fetch over $225,000 at auction, reflecting their scarcity and cultural significance. The 1873's compact design and smooth lever action made it a favorite in the Wild West, offering rapid-fire capability unmatched by single-shot rifles of the era. However, its toggle link action is not suited for modern high-pressure rounds, limiting its practical use. Ammunition in .44-40, while still available, is less common and costly. For collectors, the 1 of 100 is a crown jewel, representing Winchester's peak craftsmanship and the romance of the frontier. Its extreme rarity and historical legacy make it a rifle to cherish and never sell. Pros: ultra rare, exceptional accuracy, iconic design, historical significance, high collectible value. Cons: limited to low-pressure rounds, costly ammunition, requires careful upkeep, high theft risk. Number 2. Sporterized 1903 Springfield. A customized version of the military bolt-action rifle introduced in 1903, transformed by gunsmiths into a sleek hunting rifle. Originally chambered in .30-06, many were rebarreled in calibers like .270 Winchester for hunting deer, elk, or moose. The robust Mauser-inspired action, known for its strength and reliability, made it a favorite for custom builds in the mid-20th century. Sporterized versions often feature shortened barrels, lighter walnut stocks, and added scopes, blending military precision with hunting practicality. Their historical significance as surplus rifles turned heirlooms, often passed down through generations, adds sentimental value. A well-crafted Sporterized 1903 can be worth $1,000 to $2,000, especially with unique customizations. Its action remains one of the most durable for hunting, capable of handling modern high-pressure rounds. However, the quality of sporterization varies widely. Poorly done conversions can reduce value and reliability. Original .30-06 ammunition is common, but rebarreled rifles may require specific calibers that are less accessible. For collectors and hunters, a finely sporterized 1903 combines historical legacy with field performance, making it a rifle to keep for its unique blend of past and present. Pros: durable action, versatile calibers, historical value, custom craftsmanship, reliable for hunting. Cons: variable sporterization quality, potential parts scarcity, specific ammo needs, aging components. Number 1. Pre-64. Winchester Model 70, introduced in 1936, is often called the rifleman's rifle for its exceptional craftsmanship and reliability. Chambered in popular calibers like .30-06 and .270 Winchester, it was a favorite of hunters like Jack O'Connor for big game like deer and elk. Its controlled feed, Mauser-style action, hand-checkered walnut stock, and high-quality bluing set it apart as a pinnacle of American rifle-making. Pre-64 models, especially in rare calibers like .220 Swift or .375 H&H, can fetch $9,000 or more at auction due to their superior build and collector demand. The rifle's accuracy and smooth operation made it a legend, used by snipers in Vietnam and hunters worldwide. Its pre-WYT versions are particularly prized for their attention to detail. However, its premium craftsmanship comes with a high initial cost, and maintaining its condition requires careful handling. The rifle's weight, often around 8 pounds, may feel heavy for some hunters, and post-1964 design changes diminished its reputation, making pre-64 models far more desirable. For collectors and shooters, the Pre-64 Model 70 is a timeless masterpiece, blending beauty, function, and history, making it a rifle you should never part with. Pros: exceptional craftsmanship, reliable controlled feed action, versatile calibers, high collectible value, proven accuracy. Cons: high initial cost, requires careful maintenance, heavier weight, rare calibers costly. Thanks for watching our video on the 5 hunting rifles you should never sell. These rare and priceless rifles, the Remington Model 14-141 Game Master, Winchester Model 1876, 1 of 1,000, Winchester Model 1873, 1 of 100, Sporterized 1903 Springfield, and Pre-64 Winchester Model 70 are treasures of history and craftsmanship. Their unique designs and stories make them heirlooms worth keeping. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite collectible rifle? Check out our other videos for more on historic firearms, and we'll see you next time.